Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by eliminating the easy causes. First, use the original or a certified cable and adapter. Damaged cables often stop charging. Once done, try a different wall outlet and a known good USB port to rule out power sources. Make sure to power cycle the phone and remove any case. Pockets and cases can trap lint. Visually inspect the charging port with a bright light. If you see debris, stop and clean carefully with a toothpick or soft brush to avoid damage. Next, you focus on the port and software. Gently remove lint using a non-metal tool like a toothpick or a soft brush. Compressed air works, but avoid high pressure. Once clear, boot the phone into safe mode to see if an app prevents charging. If charging resumes, uninstall recent suspect apps. Make sure your operating system is up to date because firmware fixes charging behavior. Check battery usage stats and reset any factory or charging-related settings only if cleaning and updates did not help. Finally, you try alternate charging and diagnostics. Test wireless charging or a USB-C power delivery charger to see if the issue is the port. Inspect the battery area for swelling or corrosion. A swollen battery is dangerous. Stop and seek repair immediately. If water damage indicators show exposure, power down and do not charge. Once you've backed up your data, try a factory reset as a last resort. If that fails, take the phone to an authorized repair center.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.